Hello, so yesterday I decided to bake pandesal, or it's similar to bread roll here in the States. So all the ingredients that I use is right there on the side. So this is me mixing all the ingredients, and my dough has double the size after proofing it for 2 hours. Then I'll take that out, and then I have to punch in the middle to take all the air out. So there you go. I take it out, and then I'll punch it in the middle so the air will come out, and then mix it all together. That's what I'm doing. And I take it out, and then I have to roll using a rolling pin. That way I can slice them into 16 or 18 rolls. So here I am cutting the dough. This is what it looks like using a pan. You have to grease it out, put it all, and then proof it again for 30 minutes. Let it rest at double the size. And here it goes. After 30 minutes, it's double the size, and then you can bake it for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 minutes. And then you will have panisa.